Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at some tokens. There was 3 of them. They were in a lot. The coin I was really after was the 3rd one I'm going to show you. This one here you may recognise if I just bring you in a little bit. It is, oops, it's that way up. Get the right way up, Steve. It was one that was bought out by Michael Jackson to celebrate his tour around about his 50th birthday. He was coming to the UK and doing 50 nights at the O2. It never actually materialised. And this was a coin he bought out, or a medal he bought out, medallion, to celebrate that fact. And on this side it has Michael Jackson and then MJ and then him in one of his famous dancing poses, and it says Michael Jackson, the King of Pop underneath. And then on the other side is a stylized portrait of Michael. Now, if this coin would have been by itself, I probably wouldn't have bought it. It's my own personal view. I'm not a huge fan of Michael Jackson. Some of his music was very good, don't get me wrong, but it's not why I did this, why I bought this lot. This second one is another medallion. It's got 1s and 0s around the outer ring, which are bits. If you're into computing, you'd know that. Of course you'd know that. I think that's supposed to be either an L or a 7. I'm not too sure whether the coin's supposed to be that way up and it's a 7. It is a Bitcoin, but it's with the letter L, which I don't quite understand. It's not one that I would recognise automatically as a Bitcoin. However, the 3rd one is a Bitcoin that I do recognise. It's got the B. Let me just take it out of the cellophane, this wrapper thing. Come on. Destroy the bag, it's easy for getting it out of there. This is what I think of when I see a Bitcoin. Let me just take my light a bit, it's making it very sort of shiny. How's that? Oh, that's a lot better. The Bitcoin has the B with the 2 lines going through it, and it has Bitcoin written in the bottom left hand corner here. On the back is like a computer board, circuit board. Now this is the design I think of when I think of a Bitcoin. This one, which also purports to be a Bitcoin, is not what I think of when I say a Bitcoin, or Bitcoin is mentioned. That's the design I think of. Now, I bought it because of this coin, and it's not because I'm trying to get into currencies, alternative currencies or anything like that. I bought it for the sheer to have one in my collection. I wouldn't have bought it otherwise probably, but overall, do I like it? Yes. It's a nice design, it's a different design. As I say, I bought the 3 of them simply because of this coin. I don't think it cost me very much. It wasn't a huge amount. I think it was about £3 or £4 for the 3 of them. Maybe just a little bit more. But as I say, I bought it just for this coin. So I could say I've got a Bitcoin in my collection. No other reason. So, do you think I was a bit of a wally for doing that? buying a coin just to say I've got one in my collection, even though I'm not going in for the these alternative currencies. Yeah, please tell me what you think. And there's the third one, the Michael Jackson one. As I've said in the past, I'm not a huge fan of Michael Jackson. He just happened to be the third coin in this particular set. So I paid, as I said, around about £3 or £4 for these. I think they're just over £1 each. Would you have invested £1 each of your money for these coins? Do you want any of these coins in your collection? Let me know down below in the comments. This has just been a quick video to show you some different virtual currencies, I believe they call themselves virtual currencies. If you've liked this video, please give me the thumbs up. Because that will help me tremendously with my with getting my videos in front of new people. That, along with subscriptions, are taken into account with the algorithm that puts me in front of people who've not seen my videos before. I make no bones about it, I do want to grow my channel. However, I've got to be getting the content right and all the rest of it. So if you've enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. And until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you then. Ta-da, bye bye now.